One of the surest ways to make money online is to create digital products and sell them online. This Etsy store has sold over 222 sales from just making digital products and selling them online. As you can see, there are a lot of, in fact, right now they are having discounts they're offering to their customers. So, and if you calculate this by each price of these things they are selling, you would see that they've made thousands of dollars just selling digital products online. And you can see that it is a very lucrative thing to do to make money online. But the problem is, how do you create these digital products? Because to be honest, they are very, very time consuming. They will strain you mentally, and you have to do a lot of research to be able to put something meaningful together and sell to people. Now, what if I tell you that there is a way you can actually sell digital products without having to produce them from scratch yourself? Yes, that is quite real. You don't need to worry about copyright issues or any of those license issues. You just have to take these digital products and make them your own and sell and have 100% profit off of whatever you make out of it. Now, this is what they call PLR. PLR stands for private label rights. And on this video, I'm going to share with you everything you need to know, starting from the types of products that are PLR products, where you can find PLR products, how you can use them to make money, and where you can use them to start making money, and every other thing you need to know. So stick around and watch to the very end. PLR stands for private label rights, like I said before, and these are products that you can rebrand and edit and sell them as your own property. Like, you have the right to do all of that and have 100% profit of whatever you make from selling these products. Now, the next question that will come to mind is, what are these PLR products? Now, PLR products can be anything, but for this video, we are going to be concentrating more on digital products. Things like reading articles, ebooks, journals, any of those written articles, and it can also be visual products like videos of anything, or even audio products like audio of anything. Now, these products are being produced from scratch by other people, and they list it out to people to have right over it, to re-edit it, use it to do whatever they want to do. But then there are different licenses that allows you to use PLR, to use them to make money, and you have to go by these licenses and the rules that comes with them. Now, you may be asking, are these things actually produced by professionals? The truth is, most of them are being produced by professionals, and some are being produced by average people that actually have some knowledge as regards to whatever they're going to be writing or producing. Once they produce these things, they put it out there for people to use and make money off of it by rebranding them. Now, we're going to look over the licenses so that you know how to get started, and so that you know what to look out for by the time you come in contact with PLR products, so that you know how to use them to make money. So coming over here, this is called private label rights. Private label rights can be edited and resold using your name as a creator. That is, if you have a PLR product that has private label rights as its license. There are endless possibilities with this business model that you can exploit. It's great for building your email list, selling for profits, and doing so many other things. PLR content usually has the most flexibility, especially if you're looking to edit, rebrand the content. You should always rebrand PLR content. You need to make it unique, make it yours. I show you exactly how to do this later on in this video. So, master resales rights. This is called MRR for short, and it refers to the non-exclusive content others can resell after they buy it from you. This allows you to help others start their businesses. You resell, they resell, right? And someone sometimes even resell master resell rights too. Like, for this particular license, all you have to do is you sell it to people that can actually resell it too. So it's more like a chain. And for this, the other one that says resale rights, this is known in the industry as RR. If you are in business that deals in the instruments of education, basic resale rights is the license you need. This business model helps you to sell a personal use only license to your customers. So for this particular one that says personal use only rights is pretty self-explanatory. You sell someone the right to use a piece of content. If someone is looking to learn how to do something, this type of content can help them. The rights they receive allows them to use the content for themselves and no one else. So if you have any products that has personal use only rights, means you can't resell it, you can't edit it, you can't use it to make money. It's just for your own personal consumption. So now that we have seen the licenses that comes with some of these PLR products, now the next thing is, where do we find PLR products? That is the next question. But before that, you have to have in mind that you must abide by these licenses before you, while using any PLR products you are going to be getting from any of the sources that we're going to be mentioning. For the sources, there are different places where you can find PLR products, but you have to bear in mind that some of them are paid, whereas some of them are free. In some cases, you find both the paid and the free PLR products in the same place. Now, there are lots of websites where you can find PLR products, and for this video, I'm going to share with you the places where you can find free PLR products so that you know how and where to get started. So, but before I continue, please take a time out, like this video, subscribe to my channel, make videos about how you can make money online, and I show you the ones I have tried out so that you can know where to start from and so that you will not miss out on anyone that I share on this channel. I really appreciate you. So if you come here, this is where it says overview of the best PLR download sites. So this is called, the number one here is called plr.me. This is where you find available free products, but this particular website also has paid PLR products, and as you can see here, the rating is 5.0, and they have free coupons for you to be able to access the free one. So it's not completely free if you're going to be using this particular website. Now the second one is called Big Product Store. This is where you can find ebooks and softwares, because PLR can actually come as a software, and the rating here is 4.5, so it's quite good, and you can check it out if you're looking to find one. And then this one is called PLR database.net, actually, because I actually tried this one, but the free version, the free membership is not enabled at the moment. So if you check out the website, you might not really be able to create an account if you're using the free version. So in this particular one, if you're able to have a membership, everything is completely for free. Now we have Creative Fabrica. This is quite a very popular one where you can find planners, journals, printables, ebooks, and a whole lot of things. And the rating is quite good, 4.8. And this is where you can find some of these PLR products. The another one is called PLR ebook suppliers. This is where you find mostly ebooks, and the rating is not too bad. So this one is the Happy Journals. The Happy Journals is rated 4.8, and you can find planners, journals, printables, and more. I checked out the website. Here is the website, and this is what it looks like. And you have to create an account with them to be able to get started. And in some cases, they charge you little money, to get started. So this one says get started for free PLR. If you click here, it's going to tell you to, create this, you have to sign up here. So going back, you see this one, my resale rights products. The rating is 3.6. That's the rating. And you can find everything here. You can find planners, journals, printables, everything, ebook. Today PLR, you can find too, and free PLR downloads. You can actually find any of these planners, journals, printables, and more. You can check out these websites here because they are the ones that have PLR downloads for free. You can actually find the best PLR downloads here on this website, so you should check them out. Now there are tons of other PLR websites where you can find these products, and you can just do your own research to know which is best for you, so that you know how to get started and which one you're going to sign up to be able to download some of these digital products and use them to make money. Now, talking about making money, the next question is, how do you use them to make money? How do you actually use them to make money? Now, because you said you're going to rebrand, you're going to edit, you're going to add, remove, customize, do it, make sure it's your own, because these products are out there for the public consumption and you don't know how many persons have downloaded them. So you can't just go download them and without making them your own before you use them. So this is where Canva comes in, especially when it comes to ebooks, journals, and stuff like that. You actually can use Canva to customize them. I'm going to show you how to go about it so that you can know how to get started. And if it's video or audio products, you can use some video or audio editing softwares to be able to put things together, and of course you can even record your own and add to the audio so that they come together to make something that you can use to make money, having them as your own brand. But before you start going into PLR websites to search for books you can edit and make them yours, you have to pick a niche, something like a topic you can actually talk about, something that number one, people are going to be looking for them online, number two, they're going to solve problems for people. And you have to check which niche you're going into, whether it is finance, if it is travels, if it's hobbies, whatever it is that you may have in mind, that people are actually going to be searching. So, and to do this, there are different ways you can actually do this. You can use Uber Suggest, you can use Google Trends, you can use Google too, for example. So assuming you want to talk about hobbies, you can say something like favorite hobbies. And once that opens, you can check here where it says people also ask, what are your favorite hobbies? What are the top 2 hobbies? What is most common hobby? What is hobby example? Now, these are the common questions people ask. So you can out of this, make something out of it. Like you can say something like how to discover your favorite hobby. You can say something like what is the most common hobby, anything at all. You can put some words together and make out something. What this will show you that people are actually looking for answers as regards hobbies, like in this regards. So what you have to do is just write anything about any of these questions about hobby. Once you have gotten the niche you are interested in and you know that people are going to buy, given the search you have made or the research you have made in other places, to find what you can actually write about or something that can actually sell. Now is the time for you to go to any of these PLR sites to look for free ebooks or journal or anything at all. Then you know where to channel your search. Now you have to explore the ones I've mentioned, and of course you can do your own research to find the best one that will work for you. So for this example, I'm going to be using PLR Minds. It's another free PLR site where you can find one of those products that you can actually customize to make your own. Here it says free books with PLR license. So you can see lots of them here. This one says Kindle Riches, Hanging Out, Facebook, Twitter, Feeds app. A lot of things here you can download and customize. So assuming I want to use this one that says step-by-step niche profit. So I'm going to click on it. And once I clicked on it, you're going to see these things like it says understand right off the bat that people that make money online are the ones that stick it out, the ones that put in extra hours, and the ones that fight through the days of no sales. So these are the things you have to read through about the book. And it says here the price is free to download, the product type is free ebook, license is private label right. It means I can rebrand this, I can edit this, and I can use it to make money. And then the category is niche marketing. So the file size is 0.41 MB and it was added May 12, 2013. Now this will tell you that other people may have downloaded this book and I really have to do the work in customizing it to make it mine. So if I want to download, I will click here and it will download. So as you can see, it has downloaded with a lot of things and the resources are here for you to use. It came as a zip file, so I had to extract it and it is here. So I'm going to click here to know the license terms because they're going to give it to you. So it says the plrminds.com and its product comes with private label rights license. And here are the terms of use. Yes, it can be sold. Yes, can be used for personal use. Yes, can be packaged with other products. Yes, can modify, change the sales letter, of course, can modify / change the name products. You can modify / change the graphics and e-cover. You can be added into paid membership websites, can put your name on the sales letter, can be offered as bonus, can be used to build a list, can print, publish offline, can convey and sell personal use rights, can convey and sell resale rights, can convey and sell master resale rights. Now, these are the don'ts, what you want to be able to do with this book. No, can be given away for free, so it can't be given away for free. Can be added to free membership websites, can convey and sell private label rights. So these are the things you can do. So here is the non-liability, and you have to under no circumstance will the product creator, programmer, or any of the distributor of this product, any of this will be liable to be any part of any direct or indirect, punitive, special, incidental, or any other consequential damages arising directly or indirectly from the use of the product. The product is provided as is and without warranties. So you see, they don't have any rights to whatever happens after you must have used the product. So it is solely yours and you have to make sure you use it for good use. Now, having a good understanding about all these licenses and the words that come to them is very crucial for you to stay out of trouble. And of course, you know that once you have downloaded it, you can't just carry it and go to Canva immediately to start editing. You have to read through word by word to understand what they are writing about the book you're going to be reselling to people. And of course, you have to know if there are some grammatical errors or some changes you need to make. And these are the things you have to go through properly before you start packaging and reselling them. And once you have read this, you can now go over to Canva to start making your customization. So this is Canva. I'm going to look for a template I'm going to customize, to fit what I want to do. So once I have seen one and I know that it is free, because you have to check the ones that are free to use and the ones that are paid so that you know what to do. So I think I like this one. I'm going to click this one. It has 15 pages, so it's quite cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here and it says you should customize this template. I'm going to click customize template. So this has opened. So I'm going to start making my customization. So I've been able to customize just the cover page, and this is to save time. And You can do your own customization. Add, it's just more like add, remove, delete, add, and all you have to do is just to be copying it from where you kept it. Like I opened it here, so if I am to customize all of them, I'll just be copying this. I'm going back to Canva to paste it, and I can be changing the pictures like I did for this cover page. Now, so once you are done with this, assuming I want to share this like to for sale, once I'm done, I'll just click share, and I'm going to download it as a PDF. Says I'm going to go to PDF standard, and then I'm going to download this. So now that we have gotten a brand new ebook, assuming I was able to edit everything, which I will do later, so the next thing to do is to list it where you're going to sell. Now you can sell this on Etsy, you can sell it on Gumroad, you can sell it on Stan Store, you can sell it on Payhip. Now for a beginner, I would recommend you start with Gumroad or Payhip. Now the reason is because you're not going to be asked to pay money until you make sale. So this is completely free. Like you can easily start making sales on these platforms. And to do this on Payhip, I'm going to show you how you can actually upload on Payhip so that you can put your book out there for people to come and view and buy from you. Before we upload it to Payhip, you need to get this cover image of this ebook because that's what you're going to be using. But some of the ebooks come with already made covers that you can just use. But if you've customized your own, you may want to use this strategy. Like you're going to click share and click download, and then you leave it as PNG, not as PDF like we did before. And here you come, you click just this first page because that is the one you're going to be downloading, and then you click done, and then you hit download. Now once that has finished downloading, the next thing you're going to do is we are going to create a mock-up that we're going to be using to publish it on the website. So we're going to go to files, we're going to say create new design, and then we're going to say Instagram post. Once that has come up like this, so we're going to write ebook here, ebook mockup. It's already coming up. So here, these are ebook mockups that you can actually use to sell your ebook. So I think I like this one, so I'm going to use this one. So now that it is here, there are a lot of them also. I think I will use this. This one looks better. So here it is. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to upload the image of the cover. I've already uploaded it here, so I'm going to drag it here, and here it is. It's really, really cool. So I'm going to write something like, I'm going to like share it, and I'm going to download it as a PNG too. So now that has downloaded. So this is Payhip. You're going to create an account so that you get started. But I already have an account, so I'm just going to click digital products here because it's digital products I want to, and I'm going to upload file here. So it's a PDF. I'm going to upload PDF here. So now I'm going to add the title of the product. Then you set the price here, and this is the image that we just got. I'm going to upload it. I'm going to write the description. You can say anything. Image has uploaded. And I'm going to come down here where it says, should your visitors be able to see your product? So for this one, I'm going to say visible. Everyone can see this, like everyone should be able to see. And then I'm going to say add products. So here is the link. If you want to start marketing your ebook, you can just copy this link and go to your social media platforms to market. So this is how it's looking, and it's looking really very nice. So that is how you do it, but you have to know that you can't just like upload it and sales will start coming immediately. You have to market these books so that people can buy from you. And to do that, you can use TikTok, you can use Facebook, you can use YouTube, you can use any social media platforms to make posts about your book and drive traffic from all these sources to your book so that people will view and buy from you. And that is how you're going to make money off of it. Now, if this video was helpful, please like this video, subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any part. And you can check out these videos showing on your screen right now to know about the ones I have tried so that you know where to get started. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.